Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today I am present before you with some information. Yesterday our Central Board of Secondary Education announced regarding your syllabus. Many of you know that one because in the website already given. Some topics from class 9 to 12 has been deducted, okay? So, on what basis, why reduce your syllabus, that also you know, but still I am telling, because actually about 3-4 months going on, we are affected, badly affected due to coronavirus, and on that due to that situation, that academically very affected, okay, because schools are closed, we are not getting you are not getting chance to go to school due to that reason, and you each and everyone know the details, okay. I am not going to that one, but whatever revised your syllabus and whatever chapters are reduced and deleted from your syllabus, that one I will tell one by one. Just I will tell you can keep the notes of that one, okay. So let me tell, okay, what are the syllabus, but now I will cover up only class 9 and 10 syllabus, okay. Okay, student of class 9, just you listen first, and class 10 you don't go from there, because after class 9 I will tell class 10, okay. Class 9 you listen what are the topics removed from your syllabus, you listen it properly. From real number, that is a representation of terminating, non-terminating, recurring decimal on the number line through successive magnification. So that one exercise was there, that is visualize such number, recurring number. So that type of sum not having in your syllabus, it is removed. And second part, that is explaining that every real number is represented by a unique point, and conversely that also we are represented a number, it is irrational number on the number line, that also not required. And definition of nth root of a real number, that also not having in your syllabus, it is removed for this year, but for not, I am not telling for the next year. And second chapter, that is what from algebra polynomial. From polynomial, remainder theorem and factor theorem, that statement and proof, these are not required, it is deleted for this year, okay, for this session of this. And from linear equation in one variable, problem on ratio and proportion, because we know that linear equation in one variable, many different type of word problems are there, but whatever problems based on ratio and proportion, that are not required to do anymore. Next one is there coordinate geometry, there is no deletion, nothing is deleted there in coordinate geometry. Then from geometry part you see that delete the chapter, Euclid geometry no need to do anymore, it is already deleted. And from the lines and angles, no deletion is there. From lines and angles, everything remains same. And from triangle, you see proof of the theorem deleted. Whatever proof of the theorem, two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of a triangle is equal to any two angles, and the equal that is the property of angle side angle. Angle side angle property, that one no need to learn anymore, okay. It is for this year it is removed, okay. Next point is that topic deleted, triangle inequalities and relation between angle and facing side. So one triangle important theorem was there, that is inequalities theorem. Those who have finished, for them it's okay, but those who have not done, no need to do, because from your syllabus it is removed, okay. Then from circle you see, from area nothing delete, okay. From area chapter it is deleted completely, Area chapter completely deleted. In geometry 1 chapter is there, area of parallelogram and triangle, that one no need to do, it is deleted. And from circle, there is one and only one circle passing through the 3 given non-collinear points. One theorem was there, if there are 3 non-collinear points, only one circle can draw, that one is not required to do. And another one is there, a line segment joining the 2 points subtend equal angle of 2 other sides and same side of the line containing segment 4 points lie on the circle. So in case of cyclic quadrilateral, we know that 4 points lie on the circle, that one is not required to prove anymore, okay, it is deleted. And then next one is there, from construction of a triangle of the given perimeter. So one big construction was there, once perimeter given, angles given, then how do you construct this one, that one not required, okay. Then next one, from mensuration part, application of Union's formula in finding the area of quadrilateral, that one is not required, okay. After that I am telling that no deletion from this one not deletion is there. And from statistics and probability, histogram with verifying base length and frequency polygon, mean median mode of group data, these are no need to do, these are already deleted. And one thing more, from surface area and volume I am telling, from surface area and volume there is no deletion, whatever having in syllabus everything remains same. Then last part, there is probability, there also no deletion. I think class 9 you are clear whatever deleted, and accordingly if you need any more guideline I will help you, okay, you just comments me and accordingly I will guide. And whatever latest information updated you will get. And now come class 10, keep attention what I am telling, whatever deleted parts are there, from this one you see, from first chapter the number system, that is chapter 1, real number, Euclid division lemma, already that one finished most of you, that one not required to do anymore, it is deleted already, this session not required, okay. Then from algebra part, polynomial, there is statement and a simple problem on division algorithm on polynomial with real coefficient. So division type of algorithm, by using division algorithm theorem we can divide and we can verify this one, that type of sum is not required this time, okay, it is removed. And then from pair of linear equation in 2 variables, cross multiplication method, no more, it is deleted, cross multiplication method. Then next one comes to quadratic equation. Then quadratic equation, many equation we are reducing and then we are solving, that type of reducible to quadratic equation, that one no more, from your syllabus it is reduced. Then from arithmetic progression, application in solving daily life problem based on sum to n terms. So that is based on sum of n term in our daily life situation, that is word problem, that type of sum no need to do, it is deleted. Then you come to coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, area of a triangle, because we are from coordinate geometry what will do, distance formula is there, section formula is there, but area of triangle, that one deleted, that one no need to do anymore for this session, okay. From triangle you see, from triangle there are 2 proofs deleted. What are these 2 proofs? One is area of similar triangles. One proof was there, no, the ratio of 2 similar triangle equal to the square of their corresponding sides are proportional, that one deleted. And in case of right angle triangle, one theorem proof is there, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, that one also deleted. But from circle no deletion is there, it is whatever having everything is there. But from construction similar triangle, it is deleted. For construction there are 2 parts are there, one is draw similar triangle, another one is the circle related triangle, okay. Circuit related some constructions are there. Circuit related means what? Tangent base construction is there, that one having, and only similar triangle part removed. And from trigonometry you see that one removed 0 degree and 90 degree. In table 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 was there, but now 0 and 90 degree no need to do more. It is removed. Okay, and then from trigonometry identity, that trigonometry ratio of complementary angles, that one also removed. Means what? We know that sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta. That one removed. No need to do anymore. Okay. Next, from height and distance, no deletion. It is as it is, whatever there. Then comes to area related to circle from mensuration. So from there, one area related to 120 degree in case of sector area. So 120 degree one no need to do, it is deleted. Then one most important, that is surface area volume, that is new only, but it is already deleted for this year. First term you no need to do. First term of cone, that is no need to do. And from statistics, that is step deviation method to find mean, that one removed, and cumulative frequency graph, that one also removed. That is OG one also removed. But from probability, no deletion is there. I think each and everyone are clear. That is the latest update given by this one Central Board of Secondary Education, and just I have given all the information. And if you have any doubts, definitely you come to contact with me through comments, and through comments you can give me the information whether you have understood everything or not. And one thing more I am telling, you will get all the update notification very first. As soon as possible, I will give all the latest information step by step. And one thing more I am telling, those who have not subscribed till today, I think you subscribe as quick as possible, so that you will get the notification as early as possible. And with this one, I am just thank you all of you, and wish you all the best. Stay safe and healthy.